In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google reviews to your Wix website using Elfsight. This is a great way to showcase the positive feedback from your customers directly on your site, and it's a straightforward process that can enhance your website's credibility and engagement. First, you'll need to head over to your Elfsight dashboard. If you're not familiar with Elfsight, it's a platform that provides a range of widgets to enhance your website functionality with ease. Once you're logged in, the task at hand is to create a Google Reviews widget. Elfsight makes this process pretty intuitive. You'll find options to customize the widget, allowing you to tailor aspects such as layout, design, and the specific reviews you'd like to display. Take your time with this step to ensure that the widget aligns with your site's aesthetics and your branding. Once you're satisfied with the configuration, click the Install button. You'll be provided with a code. This is essentially the heart of your widget, so go ahead and copy it. Now, keeping that code handy, let's switch over to your Wix editor. On the interface, direct your attention to the menu on the left side of the screen. Here you'll click on Add Elements. This is where you bring your website to life with various interactive features. In the options, select Embed Code, and from the ensuing choices, choose Embed HTML. Now, a box will appear where you can paste the code you copied from Elfsight. Paste that in, and just like magic, your Google Reviews widget is one step closer to being live on your site. Once the code is embedded, you'll see the widget appear. At this point, it's important to adjust its placement and size to fit nicely within your web page's layout. Click and drag to position the widget where it feels most natural or where it creates the maximum impact for your visitors. Resize if necessary by dragging the corners, ensuring that the reviews are clear and easy for your audience to read. So there you have it. Your website now proudly displays Google reviews through a sleek Elfsight widget. This can build trust with potential new customers by allowing them to read past customer experiences directly from your website. It's a simple addition, but one that can make a significant difference to your site's engagement. Remember, in today's digital world, showcasing real customer reviews can be a powerful tool for building credibility and driving growth. Thanks for joining me on this tutorial, and I hope it helps bring your website to the next level. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to explore more of our videos for additional tips and tricks.